And as we take a look at the forecast ahead, we've got unseasonable warmth that continues to dominate. Cloudier at times. We'll be noticing how clouds will begin to feed into the region, but rain not so much just yet. However, as we look ahead into the weekend, that's when showers begin to build in here. Let's take a look, though, at tonight's outlook, where we do have some areas of cloud cover. Will be mostly cloudy over time after midnight, but very mild temperatures, as you can see, as we bottom out in the mid 50s. So that's well above the average. And this milder temperature scene will persist thanks to this area of high pressure. I wanted to take a look at the big picture across the country because it's a very interesting setup. We have an anomalously strong area of high pressure that's really anchored in place for the eastern U.S., slowing down the progression of these disturbances coming out of the west. We've got a lot of rain and thunderstorms kind of riding up and around the high with these frontal boundaries, and then cold air coming in from Canada, enough to support snow even for the northwestern U.S. Now, eventually, that's going to be spreading across the country, but it's going to take some time to get here because of this bubble of high pressure that shields us and continues to do so in the coming days. So with that said, rain is not looking to be very prominent across the greater Richmond area. We have a little more moisture feeding in, so that may translate into some clouds, but that's about it. I'm not really optimistic about our rain chances in the coming days. And believe me, we could use the rain as drought conditions continue to worsen. Now, we've got very mild temperatures overnight with lows bottoming out in the 50s for most, down into the mid 40s though farther east. And then we take a look at our highs tomorrow, mid 70s across the region, well above the average. South flow continuing to dominate, keeping those temperatures very warm. And we'll continue to track 70s well into the weekend, but noticing how we start to see cooler temperatures by early next week. That's the beginning of a big pattern shift, which we'll continue to focus on in the days to come.